Good afternoon, everyone. We're out here on beautiful number 1 with our Superintendent Scott and First Assistant Superintendent Brandon, and we're going to go over how to properly set pins each and every day.
So what Brandon's doing now is walking out onto the green, trying to find a good flat location for the day. And once he finds it, he'll level up his cup cutter, push it all the way into the ground, making sure he keeps his feet still so he's not making any bad spots around the cup. Once that process is done, he pulls the plug out of the green. He'll take it over to the old location, pulling the cup and liner out. Stepping down the cup, making sure it's level. And then we use our roller that Brandon invented to roll it down and get it nice and smooth so that the plug doesn't get scalped, and it makes for a good ball roll. Now he's setting the new cup, and this is where we use the cup setter to make sure everything goes back nice and smooth and level so that nothing's heaved up around the cup. As you can see, the cup setter went all the way down flush with the grass, so there's no heaving. And then we will roll the cup down smooth, make sure nothing's raised up. Set the flag stick, make sure it's nice and level. And that's how we cut a cup.
Hopefully you guys found this video helpful and informative. Again, happy golfing.